Google Drive is a cloud-based platform that allows you to store um, everything you've ever created, whether it was in PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. You can easily convert it over and upload it into your Drive. Then from there on, you can you can create within Drive Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, just an array of things. So you can store your photos there. Your Drive is right here. So if you go to your grid, as I like to call it, some people call it a matrix. Here is the main Drive icon. You can download Drive on your cell phone and access your documents from anywhere, from home, traveling. So I'm going to click on Drive and give it a little bit of time to load. And once it does load, you're going to see I have a lot of stuff in my Drive. A lot of things have been shared with me and I've added to my Drive. My kids have clearly gone into my Drive and created some things that I need to clean up. You can create new documents, and all you have to do is click on New. And okay, so I could create a new folder. I could upload a file from my computer. So if you have Microsoft Word documents and Excel spreadsheets that you would want to upload and place into your Drive, you can do that easily by just clicking on File, Upload, and then let's see what it prompts us to do. So these are all things that are downloaded right now on my Chromebook, but if you were using your personal computer, you would just find those files and then upload them and place them into your Drive. Very simple process. There's also right here shared with me. These are documents that have been shared. And if something's been shared with me, I can add it into my Drive. So it's there in perpetuity. And it makes it easier to search as well. Of course, recent, start, and then you can throw anything in the trash. So let's see, I'm going to go back to my Drive. If I want to create a new slides presentation, I can easily do that by clicking on slides, and blank template will pop up, and then I could get to work on that. Let's say that I name this plate tectonics, just as an example. And I'm going to title that copy. Yep. I'm going to put that as the title in my Drive. And that, let's say I get interrupted. My phone just rang and I have to take a call. And then someone comes behind me and exits out of that. If I refresh my Drive, let's see here. It's working on it. Refresh my Drive. It saves automatically, so I'm not going to lose anything. And it looks like this may be it. Untitled presentation. Oh, there it is, plate tectonics, even though I did title it. So that's the beauty of Drive. You can't lose anything in it. It automatically saves every few seconds. So it's a great thing. Let's say that I want to search for something that may be a document I made 2 years ago and I need to access it. And let's just say it's called resetting. Oh, there we go. Reset a CB direction. If I go to document, it comes up with a list of possible things just based on that search term. So that's also a neat thing as well, doing that. So again, we're in Drive. If I want to create a folder, So I can go folder. It's going to take a moment, of course, but I'm going to title this Stacy's Professional Portfolio. Okay, create. So I now should have, yep, there, it popped up right there. And let's say that I want to place other folders in there. So I can drop files here or use a new button. Or let's say that I want to pull some specific files. Let me choose, oh, here's a website that I helped another class build. I can right click on that. I can hit move to. Then my drive. Let's see here. And I should be able to find, there we go, Stacy's Professional Portfolio right here. So I can move that file into there. And that's from a Google site. So, okay, so that's been moved to Stacy's Professional Portfolio. If I want to place other folders, and I can do that as well. So let's see if it'll let me do it this way. Aha, hello sign has been moved from my drive to Stacy's Professional Portfolio. So I just moved another folder into my professional portfolio. So when I open that, let's see here. So when I open my professional portfolio, I now have two folders inside of that main folder. And then, of course, this is a file as well. One of the expectations for the proficiency test will be to put a document into this professional portfolio. And the one in particular is the proficiencies that were shared with us all by Ms. Hopkins. So I want to see if I can find that document. I know I added it to my drive. So I'm going to start with the search term Google. We'll see what comes up. Google Advanced 2, Google Classroom, drawings. Oh man. Well, let's see what happens here. So, Trent, our G Suite proficiencies. Here we are. So this is the file. I want to move this into my professional portfolio. So I'm going to right click on it. And then I'm going to hit move to. I'm going to find, go to my drive. I'm going to find Stacy's professional portfolio. There we are. Move. So I have now put this file or document, or I've put this document into my professional portfolio folder. And if I go back to my main Drive little dashboard here. There's Stacy's professional portfolio. You can click on that and open it. And we see that now I have my 2 folders here, and I have 2 documents as well. Before I end this presentation, just wanted to make you guys aware as well that you don't have to have it formatted like this. This may look really busy and confusing to many people. You can also organize your drive, the files within your drive, by clicking this, and it takes it to a list. And internet's really slow. So with the list view, you can just scroll and then you can also sort of sort it by date or alphabetically. So there are lots of different options there. So again, I'm just scrolling down and I'm seeing these mini documents, and I really need to consolidate a lot of them and put them into folders, which I'll be working on in the future. So again, you can take it from list to grid and back. It's just really a preference. So I'm going to take mine back. And usually when internet is working a little bit faster, I was right clicking on files and folders to move them, but you can also drag them into. So if I wanted to, let's see here, drag this slides presentation that I haven't finished yet, I could drag it into my professional portfolio by just moving it. And maybe it's still working. So that's really all I have for Drive right now, and I hope that it helps.